5.3. 5.3 says that for any two events A and B, it is given that probability of A is 0.35 and probability of A or B is equal to 0.61. Determine probability of B if 5.3.1 A and B are mutually exclusive. So mutually exclusive, we know that we're gonna use the addition rule. Addition rule that goes P of A or B is equal to P of A plus P of B. So these are mutually exclusive. So we are given P of A and A. Oh, we're given P of A. Yes, we're given P of A, which is equal to 0.35, and then we're given P of A or B, which is equal to 0.61. Yes, 0.61. So we have A or B, we have A. Oh, this is easy. We only want the probability of B. So you're going to sub in the values. This is going to be 0.61 is equal to 0.35 plus probability of B. We just transpose. So you're going to take this to the other side. 0.61 minus 0.35 is equal to probability of B. And then when it's like that, you're going to punch in your calculator. Okay, your calculator says it's 0.26. So probability of B is equal to 0.26. That one was easy. Okay, so now let's go to the next one. The next one says that if A and B are independent. If A and B are independent, so this is 1, 2. If A and B are independent, we know that we're going to use the product rule. The product rule that states that P of A and B is equal to P of A times P of B. That is the product rule. And we are only given P of A and P of A or B. Okay. So guys, we have P of A, we have P of A or B, but we don't have P of B. We also do not have P of A and B. So we need to change this. We must change this P of A and B, replace it with another formula, and then we should also replace this P of B. But we leave the P of A alone because we already have the value of P of A, which is 0.35. So this one, we can use the addition rule. The addition rule, as we know, the addition rule states that P of A or B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B. So we're going to take this addition rule and we're going to manipulate it and put it here. So it's going to be we're going to transpose the P of A and B because we want the P of A and B alone. We are looking for the P of A and B. So we're going to take P of A and B and put it that side. P of A and B is going to be positive as it was negative here. You transpose and it's going to be positive. And then this side we're going to have P of A plus P of B minus P of A or B. Because P of A or B was positive this side, that side is going to be negative. Okay, so we have manipulated the formula now. Now we're going to take this formula. We're going to replace this with this. So we're going to go back to our sum here. Our equation or whatever it is. We're gonna go back here and then we're gonna sub in the manipulated formula. Okay, so it's gonna be P of A plus P of B minus P of A or B is equal to P of A times P of B. So we are looking for P of B. Okay, we have P of A, which is 0.35 plus P of B, which we are looking for, and then we have P of A or B, which is 0.61, and then we have P of A, which is 0.35 times P of B, which we don't know. We are looking for P of B. Okay, so now 0.53 minus 0.61. So 0.35 minus 0.61 is negative 0.26. So we bring down the P of B minus 0.26 is equal to 0.35 times P of B is 0.35 P of B. Okay, so now we can transpose. So variables this side, non-variables that side. So numbers are going to go this side, the letters are going to come this side. So P of B, that's a letter, and then we're going to take this whole thing and take it this side. So it was positive here, and then this side is going to be negative. So it's going to be minus 0.35 P of B, which is equal to, we're going to take this one and take it that side. So because you're transposing, the sign will change to a positive side, 0.26. Okay, so now we have to work out this. So here there's an invisible 1, and then you have 0.35. So in the calculator we're going to go like 1 minus 0.35. 1 minus 0.35 is going to give us 0.65. We're going to write down 0.65 p of b. These are like terms, remember? These are like terms. And then we're going to bring down this 0.26, and then we're going to divide. To remove this, we must divide it by 8 both sides. 0.65 p of b is equal to, now we're doing just simple maths. Okay, so it's going to be 0.35 divided by 0.65. The answer is 0.54. P of b is 0.54, and that's your final answer.